Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 love languages. The 5 love languages are a way of understanding how people express and receive love. There are 5 different love languages: words of affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, acts of service, and physical touch. What are the 5 love languages? Words of affirmation. People who speak the love language of words of affirmation feel loved when they hear words of appreciation, encouragement, and love. They like to be told how much they are loved and appreciated. Quality time. People who speak the love language of quality time feel loved when they spend time with the people they care about. They want to feel like they are the most important person in their partner's life. Receiving gifts. People who speak the love language of receiving gifts feel loved when they receive gifts, both big and small. They like to feel like their partner is thinking of them and putting effort into their relationship. Acts of service. People who speak the love language of acts of service feel loved when their partners do things for them to show their love. This could be anything from making dinner to running errands. Physical touch. People who speak the love language of physical touch feel loved when they are touched by their partners. This could be anything from holding hands to hugging and kissing. How to use the 5 love languages. Once you know your own love language and the love language of your partner, you can start using them to show each other love. If your love language is words of affirmation, ask your partner to tell you more often how much they love and appreciate you. If your love language is quality time, make sure to schedule regular date nights or just spend some time together each day. If your love language is receiving gifts, let your partner know that you would appreciate small gifts or tokens of their affection. If your love language is acts of service, ask your partner to do things for you that you appreciate, like making dinner or running errands. And if your love language is physical touch, make sure to give your partner hugs, kisses, and other physical expressions of love. Conclusion. The 5 love languages are a great way to understand how people express and receive love. By learning your own love language and the love language of your partner, you can start showing each other love in a way that they will truly appreciate.